What's up, guys? Welcome back to Loud and Proud. Today we're going to be fixing my steering and my lawnmower. I think like the tie rod things is bent. And on my Ford F-150, the fan thing broke and tore my belt all to pieces. So piece of crap what it is. So I'm going to show you what we got to fix. It's right here. Let me go to the other side. This is what we got to fix. This is my lawn tractor, by the way. Gotta fix that thing. It's just a bit out of line. As y'all can see back here, the wheels don't line up exactly the same. I don't know if it's that side or this side. I'm pretty sure it's that side. Because this side's what gives me problems while driving. But it's this side I was bound. So we're going to take the wrench and take that off, I guess. Yeah, so I don't see that coming off no time soon. This is what my wheels are held on with. The back tires are almost freaking flat. And this bolt's also loose. So I'm just gonna tighten it up. My brother got some freaking channel locks. Gotta use this. Probably finger tighten it until it gets tight, and then we'll just torque it down with the wrench. So as y'all know, I moved the old gear shifter thing down to here and got a new one right up here. There's my newest one. It's the 5 in reverse one. Got the toggle switch. Just flip everything on, and it's that way. It says on and off. And you just push it to start it. There ain't no battery or nothing in it, so it's a piece of crap. So yeah, that's all's wrong with this junk things if I ain't making widgets. Because I got to get it fixed. I got a new bottle jack. Probably make a video how that thing works later on. Got a brand new Durham